Good morning, guys. It is Friday, October 12th. It is 7:12 in the morning. We are heading to Moffitt. Today is my CT scan. So I had my CT scan today. Monday I found out the results, but it's just a 3-month checkup. I'm feeling good, best I've ever felt. Always nervous though when it comes to these scans. We gotta head out though, so I'm just gonna take you along to this little scan. I'm gonna take you along to the weekend, and yeah, literally what my shirt says. Oh. Well, that would have been a good transition. So go ahead, turn those lights off, honey, because we out here.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
So how'd it go?
It went good. Scan is done. I actually forgot my lidocaine, so that's the numbing medicine for the port, and usually port draw kind of hurts. It did not hurt this time, but scan's done. Get the results on Monday. Time to go eat.
Hey, cutie. Come on in.
You looking for a good time, sir?
Yes, I am.
All right.
Let's get it going.
We are finally home, guys. It is 11 o'clock. We went to Panera Bread right after my scan because your girl was hangry, and so was your boy over here. He was hangry too.
Yeah, I was a little hungry too.
Yeah. So we went to Panera, and then we just ran to Publix because we were out of cereal, so we picked up some Life cereal. I had a bagel at Panera. Caleb had a breakfast sandwich. We're gonna eat some cereal, then we're gonna head to the gym. I'm gonna film a leg workout for you guys, so let's go with this workout. Haven't had one of these in a while for you, so enjoy.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
Hello! It is totally a different day, so I'm gonna pretend like I didn't just ghost y'all after the workout and disappear from the face of the earth, because I actually did. I totally fell asleep on the couch. I was tired. But it is the next morning. It is 8 o'clock. We got our star bag because it's much needed. I've been up since 5 getting my hair curled because I've just learned how to curl it, and it takes me 45 minutes to do the dang thing. But We are on our way to St. Pete. I'm really excited because I'm collabing with Ralph Lauren in the Pink Pony campaign. So I'm working with our friend who is a photographer. His name's Giles. He's literally an amazing photographer. He's worked with like huge companies. So he's gonna be shooting for us. And I'm excited. So I'll take y'all along this little day. I'm ready, guys. Cafe is live.
We're already a half an hour late. And it's completely 150% her fault.
I had to poop. We're in St. Pete Beach, Florida. We're at the Don Caesar Hotel Resort thing. It's really nice. It's the really big pink building in St. Pete, if you ever pass it. It's really pretty. This is actually one of the places we looked at for a wedding venue, honey. Online. I don't know why we didn't come here. It's so pretty.
Yeah,
But we usually go to the Trade Winds in St. Pete, but I think this might be our new spot. Cause this is nice.
Different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say.
It is so much later. It's 7 o'clock. Last I think I updated y'all, we were like trying to get out of the parking garage or the parking lot of the Don Caesar or the Caesar or whatever it's called. I think it was the Don Caesar. I don't know. I digress. But I am freaking exhausted. We have been up since 4:30, 5 o'clock. We did not sleep much last night, but we are heading off to Orlando right now to watch Monster Supercross or Monster Energy Supercross. And yeah, it starts at 9:30. It doesn't get over till 1. We probably won't get home till 2:30. So I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna probably fall asleep.
Okay guys, it's time to end this because I really want to go to my grandma and grandpa's. They give me all the foods. I just, oh, I got all the happy feet. Oh, happy feet, man. Okay.
Y'all thought the vlog was over, but it's not. I don't know what that kind of laugh that was. But we are actually heading to Moffett again. It is Monday. We're getting the results of the CT scan. Don't mind my shirt and stuff. I had my lidocaine on because I forgot it last time. But we're getting the results today. I'm nervous. I'm anxious. I'm excited. Just a ball of freaking nerves. So let's head to Moffett and get these results. Just met with my doctor. She's literally the sweetest ever, but I have some super exciting news. CA125, which is your tumor marker level, is at 8.4. Last time I think it was like 8.8 or something, but it's at 8. And then my CT scan looked great like last time, like I knew. The most exciting part though, I don't have to get another CT scan. I'm done with CT scans. So all I have to do every like 2 to 3 months is get my CA125 drawn, and if those numbers, you know, just randomly shoot up or become like concerning, then I'll get a CT scan, but I don't have to get no more scans for now. Ever.
Yay.
Yes! So that is that. That's the perfect way to end all this, because you know what? November 13th will be 1 year, no evidence of disease, and God is good. Yes. Amazing doctors. Yes.